This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Market Wrap. This is the Market Wrap on a Tuesday. Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network. The UBS Retail Chain Store Sales Index declined 0.8% in the week to May 31st from its level a week before on a seasonally adjusted comp store basis. On a year-on-year basis, retailers saw sales increase by 1.2% in the latest week. Orders for U.S.-made factory goods increased a better-than-expected 1.1% in April, largely due to higher prices for gasoline and other petroleum products. Excluding the 7.9% drop in orders for transportation goods, factory orders actually rose 2.6%. Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke painted a gloomy picture of the economy, but hinted that the central bank was prepared to hold steady on interest rate cuts. At the same time, Bernanke said that some of the more troubling aspects of the economy are starting to show signs of stability. General Motors CEO Rick Wagner said the automaker plans to boost its product mix by 60% cars from 50% right now, as well as closing 4 plants that make trucks. The shutdowns will save the auto giant about $1 billion a year, in addition to cost saving announced in recent months. Wagner also said GM may sell its Hummer line of heavy trucks. The company also approved funding for its Chevy Volt hybrid electric car. And GM announced that it will produce this new compact car with better gas mileage. The car will be produced beginning in 2010 for the model year 2011. Staples raised to $2.6 billion its hostile bid for Dutch office supplies distributor Corporate Express NV. Scheduled economic reports coming out on Wednesday include the ADP Employment Index for May, first quarter productivity, unit labor costs for the first quarter, and the May ISM Services Index. Earnings today, Lehman Brothers may raise billions of dollars of fresh capital, suggesting the investment bank will post its first quarterly loss since going public. Analysts and Wall Street executives estimate it might be $3 to $4 billion. Toll Brothers says hefty write-downs on the value of land joint ventures drove the luxury home builder to a second quarter loss, but results did top Wall Street expectations. The company reported a loss of $93.7 million, or 59 cents a share. That compared with 22 cents a share last year. And Lane Christensen reported its fiscal 2009 first quarter profit rose 30% as higher revenue from each primary segment combined to set a record. Net income for the 3 months ended April 30th climbed to $10.6 million, or 55 cents a share. That's compared to 52 cents a share a year ago. Analysts were looking for 54 cents. Scheduled earnings on Wednesday include Conn's, American Woodmark, Hovnanian Enterprises, Neiman Marcus, Williams-Sonoma, and Fuel Cell Energy. Some of the stocks in the news today include NCI Building Systems. That's the largest North American maker of metal building components. They said second quarter earnings more than doubled and topped analyst estimates. Alcatel-Lucent said it received a 7-year, 340 million euro, which is equivalent to $528 million US contract to provide outsourcing services to Sunrise Communication AG. That's the number 2 telecom provider in Switzerland. And FedEx says it plans to change the FedEx Kinko's name to FedEx Office to better reflect the services that it provides at its retail centers. And that is the Market Wrap. I'm Jack Lott, and this is the James Dix Financial Network.